crisp and bright. Kickapoo coffee. Ultraviolet. Experience great coffee from all over, and Kickapoo, if I'm ever in Wisconsin, probably look them up, man. And I suggest you do too. If you want, sign up for trade. There's a link in the description. Never pay for shipping. 15% off every single order. And tell them exactly what you like when you take the coffee survey. Don't play around at all. You guys will love it. I don't know who won it, man. We donate 5% of profits. That's just like something millennials and coffee enthusiasts love to see. Farmer focused sourcing. Oh yes. Kickapoo coffee, Viroqua, Wisconsin. Look. Oh yes. Oh, that looks like a beautifully light, perfectly roasted coffee right there. And how's it smell? Oh yes, delicious. It smells amazing. I'm loving this already, guys. I think this is a big winner. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's 21 grams. Nice. How's this hit you for how good it is? Just finished that cup, going immediately for round 2.